Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can wrap text in Google Sheets. So this is really quick and easy, and this will make your spreadsheet easier to read when cell contents are long. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will select the cells that you want to wrap. So for example, this right here, as you can see, it has a really long text. So what you will have to do is go to the format section and then you will look for text wrapping. So it should be right here. And now what you will do is you will basically just choose from this list, which is either overflow, wrap, or clip. And then what you will do is you will just have to select wrap. And as you can see, the appearance has been changed, and it has automatically adjust to the cell width. And you could also resize the columns if needed, and then you will just have to check the appearance of your sheet once again and ensure that all data is visible. So yeah, it's as you can see, is it's now all visible. And finally, you will just have to save your spreadsheet if you're satisfied with the result. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.